Rob Frazier here. This video, hopefully I can do it without my bird screaming his head off in the background. Wanted to do Digital Wealth Pros bonuses. Digital Wealth Pros bonuses. So when you join me in Digital Wealth Pros, here's some bonuses you're going to get. So first off, a lot of people, especially on the leaderboard, are using the My Capture Page marketing system. I will be on the leaderboard pretty soon. I'm not there now because I haven't been promoting this opportunity outright. I have made a couple of sales, but I'm going to start putting more videos about this out there. So you folks on the leaderboard, I'm going to give you a run for your money. So a couple things. When you join me in Digital Wealth Pros, I want to set you up with everything you need to get started out the gate. When I joined affiliate marketing, I really detested upsells, and I would buy a $5 product, but then I would have to buy the $37 product, and then a $300 product, and then the $997 product to make the first thing work when I thought I was getting it all with the first day. So in either case, Digital Wealth Pros, 3 levels, $297, $497, and $997. I believe, though, that's the total price, admin fees and everything like that. So whatever level you can get in, I highly suggest you get in. Even if you can get in at the $200 level, $297 level, pays out $200 commissions, get in there. I've had a lot of people join me in other programs, they weren't ever able to catch traction because they couldn't get everything they needed to get started out the gate. So this is my attempt to help you do that. So with Digital Wealth Pros, very simple way to promote this. We have a My Capture Page system that works extremely well with Digital Wealth Pros. My Capture Page system is a third-party marketing system. I also found out that Print Founders, one of my favorite companies, has a Digital Wealth Pros drop card. So basically it's a card that looks like some money. I always have them in my wallet whenever I go out. I drop them in the gas stations. I drop them in the buggies at supermarkets. Yes, they're buggies. They're not shopping carts. Buggies. I said buggy in a video and someone asked, where the heck are you from, dude? Because in California, you say shopping carts. No, I still call them buggies. Dang it. Anyway, there's plenty of places to drop these drop cards, especially if you live near apartment complexes. Go in the laundry room and the laundromats. There's tons of places to drop these cards to advertise your business. The whole point is using these cards to get eyeballs to your capture page. And I'm going to click right here to pull up the capture page, because you're not telling people about this business. Your main point is to get people to see this page, the capture page. It's part of the My Capture Page system, hence My Capture Page. So how I promote Digital Wealth Pros is by working on getting people to see this page. A certain amount of people will put in their email and see the follow-on video. So what you get when you work with me, depending on whatever level you join Digital Wealth Pros at, I will get the My Capture Page system for you. Okay? Depending on what level, if you join at the $497 or the $997 level, I will get the My Capture Page system for you for 1 year. If you join at the $297 level, I'll get you the My Capture Page system for 4 months. This is because I'm just turning around, and just whatever commissions I get, I'm going to use that to purchase your system, but I'm not trying to come too much out of pocket because I want some profits for myself. So the first bonus you get, you join at the $297, you get My Capture Page for 4 months on me. The rest will be on you. Follow the system, you'll get sign-ups, so you'll have some money so you can get ahead. You join at the $497 or the $997 level, I'll get the My Capture Page marketing system for you for 1 year. I think that's a pretty solid deal. My Capture Page system and Digital Wealth Pros is a solid system. You really don't even need a third-party autoresponder. But My Capture Page, I can talk to later on about some of the little intricate differences between the My Capture Page autoresponder, email broadcaster, and a third-party system. So that's the first bonus you get. Second bonus you get, I'm going to get you a whole bunch of these drop cards. These drop cards will be on me. Again, depending on what level you join at the $200 level, I'm going to get you $250. You can see the prices up here. Again, it's coming straight off from the profits. Basically, whatever profits I get, a good amount of that will be going back into helping you succeed with this opportunity. You join me at the $297 level, you're getting $250 on me. You join me at the $497 level, you get 500 drop cards on me. You join me at the $997 level, you'll get 1,000 drop cards on me. And you'll also get my training on how to drop these things off around town. That's not annoying, that's not ridiculous, that doesn't make you look stupid. You can just keep these in your hand, go to the gym, work out. Once you're done, sling a drop card in the locker, shut it, roll out. Nobody has to know it's you unless you want them to. Or you can just hand these things out. You know, I know one guy, he blew up in another business by taking these drop cards and going to Vegas, dropping them around the casinos in different places, leaving them in the slot machines. Very easy way to get leads and people to check out your business. Also, they make good business cards. You go to a networking event, hey, check me out right here. And just you know, people are either going to check it out or not. Don't get emotional about it. So, again, recap. You get the My Capture Page marketing system, either for 4 months or a year, depending on what level you join. You get these drop cards. Whatever level you join is that same amount. You also get my training. My third bonus, you also get my training on how to how to get rid of these drop cards. Basically, how to get them out there in the marketplace. 4, you also get my share codes, my videos. I use a system called Leads Leap as well. I'll show you my BLC plan, my Boost Your Leads and Commissions plan. It's also on YouTube. You can check it out. But you get all of my share codes. You can use all of these videos. That'll be coded and linked to you. And as I find different things that work, I'm going to upgrade these pages, and you can use these same pages. Leads Leap, you can join for free. You can use the share codes for free. You have this whole thing copied and replicated using my videos promoting your business for free. You don't have to pay to join Leads Leap to upgrade. So that's, you know, and as I have success and share what I'm doing, you're going to have those same videos, those same links, everything coded to you, so you can use this to help your pockets. So I think those are 4 solid things you're going to get. And also, one last bonus to make it around number 5. Is 5 a round number? I don't know. Depending on what level you join me at the $297 level, I'll get you 300 top tier clicks. You join me at the $497 level, I'll get you 500 top tier clicks. You join me at the $997 level, I'll get you 1,000 clicks to help your business, top tier clicks to help your business get off the ground. I may recut this video so I can show you the value and all this other kind of stuff of these bonuses, but I just want to cut this video, get it up there on YouTube, and start promoting this thing. So again, you join me in Digital Wealth Pros, whatever level, you get the My Capture Page marketing system, bonus number 1. You get the drop cards, whatever level you join me, the same amount of drop cards, bonus number 2. You get my drop card training, bonus number 3. You get my Leads Leap share codes and videos and everything like that, bonus number 4. Bonus number 5 is you get top tier clicks depending on whatever level you join. Also, number 6, you'll be in my Facebook group. Number 7, you'll have continuous and constant mentoring from me, yours truly. That's a lifetime value. I'm going to work with you to make this thing work. So that being said, wrapping this video up, the link for My Capture Page will be below this video. It'll look just like this. Click on it, opt in, see my emails, get started, get active, and I look forward to working with you. Stay tuned for a lot more content about Digital Wealth Pros from me and my YouTube. If you're coming across me on YouTube, Name's Rob Frazier, spent 12 years in the Marine Corps, got out, got myself in 6 figures of debt, paid it off through affiliate marketing, got myself back in debt, paid it off again through affiliate marketing. I can help you make money in affiliate marketing. Links below. We'll see you in the next video. Peace!